in my daily bug bounty programs, I like to go to the main application, the main app. But sometimes, especially on big apps like this, on big companies like this, that there's a massive scope, I think it's also good to take a look into the much in the other applications, not just in the main app. Places like GitHub.com will have a base scenario, a great scenario for you to test, but also will be well secured in many times. You will have a hard time finding vulnerability. And sometimes when you look into these smaller applications, maybe you can find some third-party apps that was not developed by the GitHub team, for example, that will have a really a small security, a less attention security that we can find better bounds here, better vulnerabilities. But I agree with you. It's good to take a look into the main application in almost all times, especially mobile apps. Mobile apps is a thing that users tend that the hackers tend to ignore. But mobile apps is a good place, especially if you like to test backends, server side vulnerabilities, check for things like door access control. Mobile apps has a great attack scenario for this kind of. Me either. I think most of my bounties was in main applications, but some of my bounties, the most easy ones actually was in this secondary applications. I feel like the most hardest bounce, obviously the bounce that pay most was in the main application, because the impact in these things is way better than the impact in a secondary application. And for the sake of this example here in this live stream, I cannot actually go further into testing like I would do in our pen test, like opening github.com, opening burp suite, taking a look into vulnerabilities, testing the endpoints. I can do it right now at the moment, but it's a valid point. This video you just saw is a part of a stream that we're doing every Thursdays. And now that you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join us on our next live stream.